Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to invest in cryptocurrency, specifically Solana and eToro, step by step. First, open the eToro app and log into your account. You will get here. Next, tap on the search bar and start typing Solana. Select it. And now, tap the trade button to start your purchase. Decide how much you would like to invest. The cool thing is that you can actually buy just a fraction of Solana. You don't need to buy a whole one. You can also adjust a few settings right here. For example, you can set a stop loss price which tells eToro to automatically sell your position if its value drops to a certain level. But it's possible to set it after the purchase as well. Under the order type, you can pick whether you would like to buy Solana at the current price by choosing market order, or you can choose limit if you want to set a specific price. Finally, click on buy, and that's basically it. Go to your portfolio to check your investment by tapping on the pie chart. Please note that this video was only for educational purposes and is not financial or investment advice. Always do your research before making any investment decision. Happy trading, and may the bull market be with you.